not yet crossing it. There's some meadows here, or wetlands. You can see the water's right up to the edge of the road in the northeastern. That brown is water, bay water, with some ice on top. Look at the camera. See any mess? Gotta turn it on and off. Just
It's a plow.
There's not
Plow
power.
the road. Beautiful winter weather.
I'll start to take pictures of me in the trees.
There's a lagoon full of ice and snow. Still snowing. Blizzard 2010.